Production's main role is to fund the film. It organises the production, the cast and crew, script development, and location of the film. The distribution company's main job is marketing and distributing the film into cinemas and on-demand services such as Netflix and Amazon Prime. They also have a big part to play when it comes to targeting the right audience. Independent films, such as Bruised, may receive external funding from such companies as the British Film Institution. In contrast to this, mainstream films are created in American film production in locations such as Hollywood. Companies that dictate the film industry are Disney, Universal, and Paramount. They are largely centered around making films with a high budget, exotic locations, and action-based stunts in order to reel in audiences. As of any film, I created my production and distribution company, these being River Lake Productions and Puzzle Pictures. River Lake Productions is very similar to a production company called Explore Films. This production company focuses on raw, intimate films that resonate with the audience. They are known to make dramas that are thought-provoking and that convey courage through narrative and character. For example, their feature film, Mugabe and the White African, focuses on the social topic of racism and violations of human rights. This company focuses on hard-hitting drama that resonates with audiences, which is exactly what I would want my production company, River Lake Productions, to show. My distribution company, Puzzle Pictures, could be compared to Soda Pictures. They are based in London and are the distributor for small independent films of a low budget to independent picture houses, which means they can distribute films nationally. If my opening sequence would be shown as it is now, only an opening sequence, it would be published on social media such as YouTube, Vimeo and Facebook in order to create an audience for my film that is diverse. It may also be entered in amateur filmmakers competitions such as First Light Film Competition. This will get my work recognised to a wider audience and increase publicity. The titles I have named within my film include a Grace Smith film in association with Puzzle Pictures, cinematography, Lucy Perrier, directed by Mark Hunt. This order is typical of a social drama, with the director going last as the titles show the professional order of importance within the creation of the film. The director comes last to hold the most remembered title, as arguably the director is the most important of all these roles within the production. The titles of actors are shown in overlaid titles when the actors appear, giving the audience information about who they are. I only credit the lead cast and leave out the supporting roles, as I have seen this being done in other films such as Fish Tank. The spacing of the titles does not veer away from the action, as they are placed at the bottom of the screen in hope not to distract the audience. The last title to appear is the title of the film. I place this in the middle of the opening sequence so it does not look like a trailer if situated at the beginning or end. Being shown as the last interlaid title gives it the most attention compared to the other titles and portrays the metaphorical meaning of the title Bruised.